Hi everyone, my name is Laar Biragwal, and for today's video, I will be going to discuss what is television, teletype, and the Hobo or Tramp signals. Television. Television is an electronic system of transmitting transient images of fixed or moving objects together with sound over a wire or through space by apparatus that converts light and sound into electrical waves and reconvert them into visible light rays and audible sound. What television is used for? A television is a system for transmitting visual images and sound that are reproduced on screens, chiefly used to broadcast programs for entertainment, information, and education. The television set has become a commonplace in many households, businesses, and institutions. When and who invented television? In 1927, at the age of 21, Philo Farnsworth completed the prototype of the first working fully electronic TV system. And now, let's go to teletype. A teletype is a kind of teleprinter, a printing device resembling a typewriter that is used to send and receive telephonic signals. Were teletype machines used for? A teletype machines were used from 1910 until about 1980 to send and receive characters over telegraph lines. They were made of electrical and mechanical parts. Who invented teletype? David Edward Haggis developed the first commercial teletype machine known as the Model 11 in 1855 to 1856. A few small telegraph companies then emerged to market the innovation, including Western Union Telegraph Company. And lastly, the Hobo or Tramp signals. Hobo or Tramp signals told which houses provided refuge and which were dangerous. Even if a criminal was illiterate, he could still read these symbols. When and what Hobo or Tramp signals used for? Frequently used from the 7th to 19th centuries. These symbols provided secret information to other criminals and vagabonds. Who created Hobo or Tramp signals? The lore of Hobo code seems to stem from Leon Ray Livingstone, better known as A Number 1, arguably the most famous hobo in the late 19th century. And that's the end of our report. Thank you and God bless.